starting with 2 pounds of Velveeta. Next, we've got a Butcher's Blend burger. It's half beef and half pork. Right in my dish. It's already browned. Perfect. I've cubed this up already. That makes it melt a little quicker. Next, I'm going to add some cream cheese. 1 box of Philadelphia cream cheese. I've already cubed this up. Okay, next we've got Mexican style cheese. I'm going to do about 1 cup of that. And you can use cheddar or Monterey Jack, whatever you have. I'm using this Mexican blend. Okay, next I'm going to add a little bit of milk, just about a half a cup. Pour that over the top of our cheeses and our meat. Okay, next we've got 1 can of Rotel. I love this stuff. It's got your green chilies already in there. I've drained the can so there's no extra juices in there. I want to get it all out. Oh, I love this stuff. It's so great. Oh, that looks so yummy. Adds a lot of color too. Okay, next I'm going to add green chilies. I'm going to add 1 can of these. So yummy.
Yum.
Okay, and because I want it to be a little cheesier, I'm going to add 1 more cup of shredded cheese. Okay, we can't forget our spices. So I've got some taco seasoning. Just going to sprinkle this over the top, just a little bit. There's a lot of flavor already with those cheeses and our meat. This is just going to add a little bit more zip. Okay. And lastly, some chili powder. Want to get a little spice. You like it spicy. Okay, now I'm just going to do a light mix. Just kind of get a good mix going. This can be rough. This doesn't have to be perfect because it will melt together. Okay. Okay, I've got the oven set at 350. This is going to go in for about 30 minutes. Okay, let's check on our queso. Oh, looks amazing.
Wow.
Okay, so now what we do is just, obviously we're gonna just stir this all together. Oh, look at it. This is the fun part. And I'm using one of these aluminum baking dishes, which will be great because I'm gonna take this to a party later. It's the easiest way to do it. Oh, smells delicious. I have a feeling this is gonna go fast. So we just wanna get it all incorporated, all mixed together, really melted perfectly. That's what we want. We want all the flavors. All the flavors in there to just marry together. And I love using the half pork, half beef combination. It gives it a little more flavor than if you were just to use ground hamburger. All right, I think this is looking good. So I like to use the Tostitos scoops. Then you get a really big bite. I think we need to test this.
Mm-hmm.
All right. It's really good. This is gonna be hot. I'm gonna take a big bite. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be so good. I don't want to burn my mouth, so. Okay, here we go.
Those are gonna be enjoy some yummy tacos.
Yum. Bon appetit.